Okay guys, it's building up. SNOA. Around 12s guys. I've started small. Just a bit early. I know it's early, but because I have small on it and I'll build up on it as it goes along. My stop is just under 1150 guys here. I feel like this might be the wick we were waiting for. Now we want this volume to actually sort of creep up once it starts breaking the 13 and 1250s. We want this volume to creep up like there we go. There it goes. Boom. Whoa, whoa, hold on. Whoa. 11, what the hell? Wow. Guys, I'm off on this. I got stopped out around here. I tried to take some out here over 13s. I couldn't. Shoot. 12s to 1250s, around 50 cents. But it was a quite small one. I'm looking at ALF guys for a possible short. ALF for a possible short. Right. I have gotten in some 1040s guys. I will add to it on the break though. Not hugely excited about this, but the trade is there, so I'll take it. Our stop just over a VWAP guys. Guys, I just don't like ALF. The way it's trading, I might cut it off early. If it starts to break above this area 1034, and if it starts to trade above that, then I will come out break even. So yeah, I just don't like the way it's trading. Earlier as well, I wasn't really keen on it. It's just it looked good. Daily was alright. That's why. So guys, I'm looking at SPY short 439s. Okay, don't go too fast. Under 439 is fine as well. O1s, I got O1s guys. 439, that was too quick. 439 20s over 20s is the stop. A really tight stop as well on SPY. My target on this is VWAP guys, 43813s, right about here. If it does come down here, if it does wash up here, I will take everything off on this. because I'm getting ready to take everything off, guys. There we go. 13s, 15s, 13s, 11s. Ooh, huge amount of buyers there. 11s, 13s. I'll take every 13s, guys. So I'm all out. 13s, not too bad. So that was our risk, and then we have our reward. So quite a bit, guys. I'm thinking close to 4 to 1.